Alright guys, we should be back now. Yeah. Everybody join back. Join back, join back, join back, join back. Alright guys, so this is another one. So this one says P is equal to negative 5, 3, 6, and 7, and Q is equal to 6, negative 2, 1, and 0, while R is equal to double X, Y, and Z. Now this one says we are to multiply 2 times P and minus Q and equate it to R. So let us do that, alright? It's very easy. It's not hard. The most important thing is to follow the rule. You must follow the rule. If you don't follow the rule, you're gonna be in a lot of problem. Alright? So they gave you the rule for you to follow the instructions. So let us do that. So they say we are to multiply 2 times P. So let's do that. Right? So put the 2 outside the bracket. I did a video on this where I was showing what is the difference between multiplying 2 and a half. I hope you guys take in that video. If you have not done so, please make the time to do so. Very important. Alright, and it says minus Q. So just minus Q now. So remember what the Bundas rule says? The Bundas rule says we are supposed to do the multiplication first. So we're going to expand the bracket. So we're going to multiply each in the bracket, in the 2 by 2 matrix, by 2. So we're going to say 2 times 5, that's negative 10. 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 6, that is 12. And 2 times 7, that is 14. Alright? And then now we're going to subtract Q, which is 6, negative 2, 1, and 0. Alright. So now we're going to subtract. So again, each element must match. So negative 10 minus 6. 6 minus 2. And we're going to look and discuss those. 12 minus 1. So it's matching, right? And 14 minus 0. So let us proceed. I'm going to show all the steps. We're going to drop no step in a man. So it's negative 10. Put a big bracket. So it's negative 10 minus 6, which is this 6 right here. Because a position we have to know. And then 6 minus 2. And then 12 minus 1. And 14 minus 0. And don't forget, it's equal to this, double X, Y, and Z. Alright? It's layers of you. Alright? Don't forget that. So let's go now. Negative 10 minus 6, that's negative 16. 6, 2 of these is going to become a plus, so that's 8. Very important. 12 minus that equal 11. 14 minus 0 is 14. So let us discuss the answer now. We're just going to match them. This double is equal to negative 16. X is equal to 8. Y, I guess you guys get the picture now. Y is equal to 11 and Z is equal to 14. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Alright, so now I want you guys to meditate and I want you guys to try one for yourselves. Alright? Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be looking in the comment section. So just leave it. Don't be afraid. Alright? Alright, so I want you guys to try this one. This was number 1 done in my class today, my extra class. So I guess if these guys are on, they won't be doing that because they do it today already. So it says that A, try this, subscribers, try this. If you're just watching, pause the video and try, alright? If you're watching the playback. So I hit the like button too. I want to on the bridge, you know, now move so. I'm gonna get up every day, I do be a video and you can't hit the like button for you one time. Choke thing that man. And C is equal to 2P. But that's why I'm not doing a long video in the car. I don't like the video. Kill the vibes, you know. I wanna go on. And this one says that AB is equal to AB is equal to half C. So go ahead, subscribers, try that one. All you're doing is multiplying A times B and finding a half of C, alright? Try it, guys, try it. I have to leave in 7 minutes, I think. I have class. But let's try this one and we're gonna go through it together. Alright guys, so multiply A times B. Subscribers, if you are just watching, you can just make it something run because we're gonna do it same way. Alright guys, I see that like button. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Everybody in the building. Guys, I don't know normal thing, you know, miss of anything, I don't know normal thing, you know that, don't it? If you don't know that, welcome, welcome. No joke thing about it. Alright, so let's go. So we're going to multiply A times B. So let us do that. So we turn big league now so we can just cut it up in rows and in columns. Alright. So we're going to use row 1 first. So it's negative 1 times 2. That is negative 2. 1 times x is equal to x. We're done with that. So we're going to row 1, column 2. So it's negative 1 and x times negative 1 and 3. So x 1 times 1, that's positive 1. X times that, that is 3x, right? And then now we're using y. So it's y times 2 and then 2 times 1. So y times 2, that's 2y. 2 times 1, that is 2. And then we use this times this. So it's y and 2 times negative 1 and 3. So y times 1 is a negative y and 2 3s is 6. Guys, if you don't have any question. Oh, it's a, we are supposed to find a half of c. So a half is this, multiplying by a half is the same thing as dividing by 2. So we're going to divide each one of them by 2. We just do it here, so it's a space saver. Alright, so this is going to give us p. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. That gives us 6 and that gives us q. And we know what we are supposed to do, right? We are supposed to equate each of them to the equivalent one. So it would be negative 2 plus x is equal to p, because remember it's position. And similarly, 1 plus 3x is equal to 10. And then now, we're going to do 2y plus 6, no, plus 2 is equal to 6. And the last one would be negative y plus 6 is equal to q. Hope everyone understand that's a position. All right, so we're going to look at them in some students reach here and were struggling, right? But guys, it's very easy from here. All you have to do is to find the one which is one unknown. For example, this is one unknown, so we can solve this also. After we find the x and the y, we can substitute y here, so the value, and the y and the x value right here. So let us solve for x. Pick up yourself, Tyreek. Alright, so we're going to come to now 1 times that. We subtract 1 from both sides. So 3x is equal to 9, and we divide by 3. So therefore, x is equal to 3. Now we know the value of x to be 3, so we can put it right here. So we know it now. So it would be negative 2 plus 3 is equal to p. So therefore, the signs are different. So this becomes 1. So the value of p is 1. So we find x and we find p. We can find y now. No? So it's 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. 1 multiplied by 2, add to it and you get 6. So we subtract 2 from this side working. So it's 2y equal 4. So we divide by 2. So y is equal to 2. Alright? And then we go ahead and put 2 for y, so it's negative 2 plus 6 is equal to q. Negative 2 plus 6, that's definitely 4. Alright. So guys, I have a class at 5. Definitely link up with you guys, alright? Please hit the like button. Take care guys. Thank you, Mr. Bennett. Appreciate all of you. And just spread the word. Persons can get help. Alright? Mr. Bennett, I'm out, no doubt.